Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to create custom product grid using Elementor Builder tool in Elementor WordPress. So we are not using default product grid layout and we are going to create custom layout. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page. On left side you see search widget. So right here loop grid and then you see widget. We are going to use loop grid. So drag and drop here. Now you see widget edit and then on left side you see layout and then in layout you see choose template type. Drop down. Now select product and then you see choose a template. So we are going to create template and then we are going to select template from here. First click on publish. Now publish done. If you want you can click on it and then create template, but we are going to create template from dashboard. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see templates and then you see theme builder, so click on it. So we are going to create custom product grid using Elementor Builder tool. So we are in theme builder and then you see multiple options. Now you see loop item, so click on it. Now you see loop item and then click on add new, so again click on it and then you see library. Now close it and then you see drag widget here. So we are going to create one column or container layout, so click on plus icon. Now select flex box and then we are going to create one container column layout. Now select two and then we are going to delete one. Now click on delete and then we are going to make width 100%. Click on it, edit container. Now make it 100. Now you see and then we are going to add feature product image, product title, product price, add to cart button or custom add to cart button. On left side you see plus icon and then you see multiple option. Now in search widget write product. Now you see product rating, product stock, product related, custom add to cart button. You see multiple option. Now right here feature product or feature image. Now you see feature image, so drag and drop here. So by using this widget we are going to display product feature image in custom product grid. So you can design product image layout according to your requirement. So you can add border radius, you can add opacity hover. Now you see choose image, feature image and then you see image resolution. Now select full, so you can select any size, so it's up to you. If you want you can select custom layout. Now you see, now select full and then we are going to link feature image, product image to product page. Now you see link. Now select custom URL and then you see dynamic tag, so click on it. Now select post URL. So when user click on product image, then product image open product page URL. Now go to style and then you see alignment. You can make it center. If you want you can set custom width or height, so it's up to you. Now you see opacity, normal, hover. So we are going to set opacity on hover. Now you see, so when we hover on product image then opacity apply. Now you see transition duration, hover animation. If you want you can select, so it's up to you. Border type, border radius 25. So we added feature image that display product image, so you can do customization according to your requirement. Now we are going to add product title. Now write a title and then you see multiple option and then you see product title widget, so drag and drop here. Now you see product title. Also we are going to link product title to product page, dynamic tag. Now select post URL. Now go to style, alignment, typography 24. Now you see color, so you can set color scheme. On hover you can set color according to requirement and then we are going to add product price. Now write a price. Now you see price widget, product price, so drag and drop here. Now edit and then you see style. Now you see color and then you see typography, so you can add font size, font family, so it's up to you. Sale price and then you see multiple options, spacing, go to advanced. If you want you can add some margin or padding So it's up to you. And then we are going to add some more widget. Now click on plus icon. Now you see multiple option. So you can add any widget according to your requirement. Now you see search widget. So write a stock. Now you see product stock. So we are going to display product stock also. Now drag and drop like this. Now edit and then click on plus icon again. Now add to cart button. Now you see two add to cart button. So you can add any custom add to cart. Now you see product all, show quantity button. Now you see type, text, size, icon position. So you can do styling according to your requirement. Now go to style and then you see position. Now color change. Text color white. On hover, text color white. And we are going to change background color. Now you see. So you can add any widget and you can do customization according to your requirement. So it's up to you. So we added feature image, product title, product price, stock and add to cart button. Now you see styling for add to cart button. So click on plus icon again. Now write a product. You see add to cart button, product price, upsell, description, product meta. So you can show category. So it's up to you. And then we are going to add template name. So we can find it easily on page. Now you see setting icon. So click on it. Now you see title. So you can add new custom product grid name. So by using this title we can find it easily. And then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to product page and refresh the page. So we are in page again and we are going to link template. Now click on widget. Now you see choose a template. Now click on it. Now write a name, new custom. So this is our template we created, new custom product grid. Now select. Now you see column 3, items per page 6. So we are going to make it 3. Now you see, so this is our layout. Now you see product title below, add to cart. First click on publish. Now back to template. Now change its position. Now you see structure, so click on it. Now you see feature image, product price, product title. Again change position and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to product page again and refresh the page. Now you see layout. So when we hover on it, we added effect on product image, border radius, animation, opacity. Now you see. So this is a product title, price and add to cart button. So you can set custom styling for custom product grid. Now you see, click on it. Now you see column on desktop 3, item per page 3, ecolite, yes. Now you see query, include by or exclude. So you can exclude or include product. Now you see order by, order, pagination. If you want, you can enable this option, pagination, additional option. So it's up to you and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to website page and refresh the page. So this is our custom product grid. Now you see stock, we display. Now you see, so you can do styling and you can create custom product grid according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.